This is Dark M on commentary, joined by
Sniperworm?
Professor Sniperworm. This guy knows a lot. If you doubt him, just get out. You don't even know. Do not doubt this guy. He trained me in Pokemon. Lead Mamu. Drop that guy, D.
Oh, what? This is a nut. Oh, I guess Ice Climber.
Oh, Ganon. Ganon, you lost weight. Okay.
No, don't go Ganon. That's just stupid.
Not against Icy.
That's just... Not as bad as Ganon.
You know what? When Swift Kai's 0 to death me, he did the ice block infinite, yeah? Where I keep bouncing off. Yeah, and I have to get up, yeah?
And
then he grabbed me and then...
Yeah, he did the
grab
trap.
I saw you and Ganon just jumped up. Boom!
Yeah, but that didn't bother me that much.
Yeah, because you're Meta Knight, that's fine.
Yeah, because I knew it was like, oh, it's just ice climbers. Like,
Smash DI and tech that. Break his spirit.
do a little hop.
Don't even have to, you're Meta Knight. You got 5
You bouncer spike someone and they tech in.
Alright, here we go. It's Raimo.
Oh, what?
Oh, shit. He's already got him in the chain.
Oh, good tech.
Did he tech it?
Yeah. Because when he spikes you into the ground to get that jab lock, it has to.
I think this is one of the
tech.
This is one of the first times that I've seen Raimo snake.
You mean in tournament?
Yeah, in tournament.
Yeah, I think so.
He rarely goes snake.
Because I know you're not talking about it in general, because we see it all the time.
Every weekend.
Oh, look at that.
Whoa!
He knows
Whoa!
He's trying to separate on us.
Rape that bitch!
Oh! I did not expect that.
Ryan decided one more
Raimo just like,
one more cheap shot at the bitch.
Oh, wow.
come on, Kyle!
Some of them Raimo combos.
Oh, look at that beaver. I wish I could be reverse.
You can.
You can.
I can. Oh!
You need a B move with a
They just
shit.
got, oh! Oh! What the fuck was that?
Raimo
Dominate the entire stage.
with explode. That's Raimo. That's what happened.
It's a trap!
Come on, finger pass. Don't do it. Don't do it, Pat. No up tilt.
Give him the man lift!
Man lift.
Oh! Paint that! Paint that building. What are you guys using the man lift for anyway?
We're installing some rods at Aloha Stadium.
Oh yeah?
Restricting the bridges so it doesn't bounce so much.
Is it coming along good now that you got the parts?
Yeah, actually, we actually think we're going to be done by the end of this week.
Oh wow!
Yeah, going way faster than we thought.
If only, yeah? If only the parts came sooner.
Yeah, but luckily the state is being nice and they're going to try to help us out with the liquidated damages.
Yeah, for those of you that don't know, Sniperworm is... What are you?
Civil engineer.
Civil engineer!
Civil engineer.
And when he grows up, he's gonna be a sniper.
When I grow up, I'm going to be Sonic.
Shit.
You grew up to be Sonic.
Oh wow. Oh. That's some Japanese shit right there.
Oh wow.
Nana, use your head. I turn away and now Swift Kai has the advantage.
Oh, it's still
Keep turning away.
Keep turning away.
Stop looking at my match.
What is
Oh, I'm scared, Pat. I don't like you when you're on the ground. You make me sad.
Oh, where's Raimo going? Oh my. Snake 221.
That kind of looks at the camera.
Look at Raimo.
Raimo wants that ledge C4.
He's gonna kill someone with that one of these things.
And it'll be the
And it'll be Matt, most likely.
It'll probably be me.
Moral victory. Oh! Fuck that. Oh, I turned away and Nana died.
That's classic Raimo right there.
Just wait.
You're wide open to be punished and he just sits there. Oh, sweet!
Oh, the C4 blew up. It blew up.
Raimo!
He's still in this.
The snake with funk.
The funky snake. I'm tired of these motherfuckers playing. Alright. Gotta fix things.
Oh.
I like go Ganon.
Packles Ganon? Sukai goes Ganon!
Oh, can't let you do that, Star Fox.
This is the first time I've ever heard the winner of a match ask the loser to go a certain character and they win that character.
Oh, he's not winning! Lies! Okay, now he Oh, look at that footstool. Oh, combo. Ramo really likes those jabs.
They're good. Yeah, they're actually pretty good.
Yeah. They're a good move for a wolf. Relatively safe on shield, considering it's wolf. Oh,
Yeah, it's like
battle cry.
It's like I don't even want to play any matches right now. I just want to watch.
Okay, so Fox gets. Oh! It's hard to say if that was intentional because that is finger pass. Oh, he's tempting him for that side B kill. Oh, ow!
Yeah, that tipper hurts.
Yeah, that move is really good.
Oh, Bobby, listen to the lyrics of this song. It's in the chorus.
Okay.
Oh my god!
Wow, he's like singing right now.
American Idol.
Well, I think next tournament I'm going to sign up with Billy Mays.
Oh, what was that?
There goes Rimo doing what Rimo does.
Rimo stuff.
Rimo, you've been hanging out with us too much. Or did he always do that?
I think he always did that.
Oh!
Listen to this.
Wow, he's like singing and playing at the same time.
Oh, it's okay. Come on. Play it last.
Oh!
That was your idea, Kyle.
Yeah, it was. You guys can give